Another way to close the door, if let's say your cat chews the wire and now you have no connection, you can, in most cases, hold the wall button down as the door is closing. After looking to make sure nothing's in the way, you hold the button down until the door stops moving, it will close. Then you can leave through the front door of the house.
Now, you mentioned cat. That's one other thing I wanted to address, because I had a friend in high school whose dad moved the sensors up off the ground to about 2 feet because there was some neighborhood cat that he'd close the garage door, go inside, and as the door's coming down, the cat would run in, trip the sensor, go up, and he'd come out in the morning and his garage door's still open. Now, thankfully nothing was ever ripped off or stolen, but it happened enough times that he just tricked the cat, moved the sensors up so that as it would run in the garage door, it was underneath where the light sensors are. What, by code, what are those supposed to be?
Yeah, there's actually a law we have to follow, and the code is UL 325. It prevents people from getting hurt or entrapped under a garage door. The safety sensors have to be at 6 inches or below in order to protect a human being above all else.